Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Samsung Galaxy A05s. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up by clicking on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now, or you can also just close it by hitting OK. When you're ready, hit Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Motorola, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to hit Allow a couple of times and then select your files. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And when you finished, tap on Download after Watch Ad to connect. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up, and last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!